Do you know earnings are one of many factors used to select ROIs for invitation? Let's discuss in detail about Victorian ROI selection process in relation to earnings today. If you are living in Victoria and are currently unemployed or not working in skilled employment, then you must enter $0 in your estimated annual earnings in your subclass 190 ROI. What you should include in this calculation? Your estimated annual earnings should reflect the total compensation received as part of your employment, excluding superannuation and before income tax deductions. In most cases, you should use your base salary as your estimated annual earnings. Take care not to overestimate your annual earnings, as this may affect the outcome of your application. You should only include earnings from skilled employment. Estimated annual earnings includes wages, payments while on leave, penalties for weekends, public holidays or work outside regular hours, commissions only accepted for sales roles, and amounts that are salary sacrificed, such as novated lease for a car or meals and entertainment arrangement. What are assessment considerations? Let's talk about it. Please keep it in mind when calculating your estimated annual earnings that if you have an annual salary or a base salary, then use this figure. This figure should be pre-tax and it excludes mandatory employer superannuation contribution. So you have to keep this in mind. If your earnings are on a part-time basis, then note that the calculator on Live in Melbourne's website, it adjusts them to reflect a full-time equivalent. Then you have to use this adjusted figure provided by the calculator in your ROI. Same thing, if your earnings are on casual basis, then note that this calculator will adjust to take the amount of casual loading. Then you have to use the adjusted figure provided by calculator in your ROI. At the time of assessment of your nomination application, you will be required to demonstrate your estimated annual earnings using the last 4 weeks of earnings. If you cannot support the figure provided in your ROI, your nomination application may be refused. If Victorian government assess that your employment is not skilled, then also your nomination application may be refused. If you are employed in more than one job, only include your estimated earnings for your highest paying job, which meets all the considerations. You can only include earnings from skilled employment in regional Victoria for subclass 491. Skilled employment also includes any role that is at the skill level 1, 2 or 3 as per 𝗟𝗏𝘂. Skilled employment does not have to be in your nominated occupation, but your earnings must be from skilled employment. I'll give you one example, which is also given on Live in Melbourne's website. For example, if your nominated occupation is mechanical engineer, that's 𝗟𝗏𝘂 skill level 1, you cannot include earnings from employment if you worked as a truck driver, which is 𝗟𝗏𝘂 skill level 4. But you could include earnings if you worked as a mechanical engineer technician, which is 𝗟𝗏𝘂 skill level 2. I hope you must have gained some valuable insight from this video. You can call on the given number to discuss your case with me in detail. I look forward to assist you with your PR journey. All the best, everyone. I'm Neha Thakur, Registered Migration Agent at 𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗂.